I'm Ebony and I'm going to be showing you how to install roller blinds. At Bunnings you can get different levels of opacity, from sheer to block out. There are heaps of colours to choose from. I've gone with white for a clean look. You'll need the blind kit, which includes blinds, brackets, screws and the safety tension device. You'll need a drill and Phillips head bit. You'll need to measure the size of your window to see what size blind you need. If you have a regular sized window, you can pick these blinds up on the shelves at Bunnings. I'm going to use a recess mount today, which is on the inside of the window frame. The universal brackets in your kit will suit either the face or the recess mount. Mark where you want to drill your brackets. And repeat this for your other bracket. Drill a pilot hole with a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the screw you'll be using. There are two different brackets. This is a pin bracket. This bracket goes where the chain is. If you've got a small window, you could probably do this by yourself, but I've got a bigger window, so I need a friend to help me. Make sure you secure the chain end first. The last step is a really important one. The chain on this can be a choking hazard to children. We're just going to secure this to keep your little ones safe. Thread the chain through the safety bracket and attach it to the window frame. The blind is up, I've now got some privacy and the sun won't wake me up at 5 in the morning.